Hey everybody, just want to make a quick video because we got an actually nice day today, a warm day, it's sunny. As a matter of fact, let me try to get over here out of the shade so I can maybe see a little better on what we got going on here without such a glare. And I'm shooting this today on my phone. The GoPro doesn't have a screen to flip around, so I can't really see what I'm shooting on that. For all I know, I could be shooting the trees or the sky or the ground while trying to make a video for you guys. Anyway, in the last video I did, I told you guys I was getting or thinking about getting a vehicle to start a new project on, or possibly a series. So I'm really excited with what I got. And since it is such a nice day, I just want to kind of give you guys an overview of what I did get and show it to you guys. And go over some things maybe that I might do, things I might like to do, and some issues. The vehicle is not perfect, but it is in really good shape for it to be 17 years old. So I think there's a great platform here to start with, and to make some improvements. There's always room for improvement. So with all that being said, let's just get to it. Show you guys what I picked up. And you can give me your thoughts, comments, likes, dislikes, even though I don't want those. And if you like what we're going to be presenting to you guys in the series up to coming, then go ahead and subscribe if you would. And as always, click your notification bell so that when I do get around to uploading new videos, you guys are in fact informed when I get those videos. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and switch this over. All right, guys, here it is, 2001 Mustang GT Bullitt. So I'll just give you guys a quick tour around the car and let you take a look at it as it is, and how I got it, and maybe go over some things that we'd like to do, or I'll always hear from you guys, any suggestions on what could be done, what I should do, or what you might like to see done. It is a 2001, so like I said before, it is 17 years old. The car's in pretty good shape for its age. But again, 17 years old, so there is some stuff I'd like to change, some things I'd like to fix on it, and we'll go from there. It is dirty. It definitely needs cleaned. Need to get it detailed up, and get it all in order, so we can get this thing looking good. So here it is. Just kind of walk around here. One of the things I did notice, and we'll probably do a video on just maybe a how-to or whatever when I get a chance, and get this third brake light, as you can see, is very scratched up and scuffed up, and loose. The looseness on it on either side, probably an easy fix. Just go in under the trunk and tighten it up. We'll either probably swap that out maybe, but it definitely needs to be tightened up. Other than that, I haven't had a chance to really notice a lot. Of course, the Bullitt edition came with some different things, like the brushed aluminum gas cap, which, as you can see here, all the screws around that are rusted. So we need to check in, fixing that. Other than that, all in all, the vehicle is pretty clean. I'm not sure about these. I don't know if you guys would call those the side scoops or what. That definitely was something somebody put on there. I'm not too fond of those, I don't think. Probably do something with that later down the road. I'm gonna open her up here. The interior is actually pretty good, and I'm just kind of shooting blind here. The glare is so bad outside today with it being so sunny, but the seats are in really good shape, I like to think. Passenger seat, of course, has got some wear on it there. But these are all minor things. They don't affect the drivability and the performance of the vehicle. As most of you know, these are just aesthetically pleasing or displeasing in the shape that they are in. So we'll go around here, pop the hood up, and let you guys take a look and see what we got going on here. Okay, guys, you got the hood up here, and it's just, it's a 4.6 2 valve. Nothing special, some would say. Some really like these 2 valve engines, but just, giving you a look here. It does have a JLT short ram air intake on it. which, you know, that's always a plus. That's one less thing I have to do. You know, and some people have their opinions on whether that makes a difference or not. You know, I say to each his own. You know, I'm not here to argue or to debate. My opinion, I feel and think that it does make a difference. But hey, there's some of you who will say, no, it doesn't. Anyway, with that being said, the engine it's not terribly dirty as you would think on a vehicle so old, but it definitely does need to, in my opinion, needs to be cleaned up. You can see here there's just it's kind of dirty and grimy around, but hey, I have seen much worse. You know, everybody knows what an engine looks like, but since this is, you know, the first video on getting the car, figured we'd just give you guys a shot here of what it looks like, and it does need to be cleaned up. That's a video that, you know, may do. I'm not sure if anybody be interested in seeing, you know, the engine being detailed, but I definitely will get around to that and get it all cleaned up once we get this thing going here and get it around and find out if there's any issues. Hopefully there's no underlying issues. I think we're in good shape with everything on this vehicle. So anyway, that's it. Wrap the video up, and we will see you guys next time.